welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today I thought we could do another blind taste test. This time my sister and my mom went out and they picked six ingredients, 6 things, 6 foods that I will try with a blindfold on, and I will have to guess it. They think that they did a really good job and I'm not gonna guess any of them. But I don't know, last time I was pretty good and I guessed them all, so we'll have to see how that turns out. Yeah, so let's get tasting. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you guys can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. I post behind the scenes. Like today, you will see a little sneak peek of what I am doing in front of this camera. And I post things throughout my day, so please go check it out. Alright, I'm going to put my blindfold on and try and guess some stuff.
I don't know, reach?
You have to come closer. What? Oh my god. It like tastes familiar, but I can't figure it out.
You want another one?
Not really, but I feel like I need it. Wait, hold on. Now, is this like an ingredient like flour, or is it something that's like already made? Like it's like already a dish?
It's already made.
It's already made?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll take another. Come closer. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. I swear, once I take my blindfold off, I'm gonna be like, oh my gosh, because it tastes familiar. Alright, I can't. I don't know what the heck that one is.
Gotcha.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, new
Dang
number. 1 through 5.
1.
You ready?
Ugh. Is it gonna taste gross?
No.
Well, I don't know. I've never had it.
Is this a beet?
Stop doing that. It's gross.
Sorry, I'm like trying to like...
You want your viewers to see how you do that?
It's a fruit. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. What kind of fruit?
You want another bite?
It's a fruit I've never had, huh?
Probably.
It's a fruit I've never had.
Is it papaya?
No.
Is it... It's not a mango. It tastes like a beet. Like the texture is a beet. Is it a vegetable, a fruit that I would find at any
No.
local grocery store?
No.
Yes.
I haven't seen them everywhere.
I have.
Oh. We have differing opinions.
Oh my gosh, I'm so annoyed. I need to get at least one.
You want another bite?
Yeah.
You didn't even bite all of it.
You haven't had it, Corp?
No.
I don't know. And I'm over here like in my last video like, oh my gosh, I'm amazing. What the heck? Is it like something I would know?
No.
Yeah.
No?
Not the taste of it.
No.
But I would know the fruit?
Yeah.
Yeah, you would know the fruit.
And it's something at every store. Well, obviously it wouldn't be honeydew. Is it a melon?
No.
Well, maybe I'll guess towards the end. I'm annoyed. I just want one.
What number? 1 through 4.
3.
I don't think she'll like this one, honestly.
Oh gosh, you guys are horrible. Why do you shove it down my throat? Is this rice pudding?
Congratulations!
I got it! Ooh, you can taste the cinnamon and like the rice chunks. I don't like love it, but it's okay. It's better than the first one. You picked what?
This is what I picked. This is the number I picked.
What? I thought I was picking numbers. Ready. Ew! It tastes like wasabi. It's those Asian crackers.
No.
No? Like those wasabi peas.
There you go.
Ugh. I don't like that.
You're really gonna love this next one. Then.
Oh. I've gotten 2 out of 4 so far.
Yeah.
So there's 2 more.
Not so much.
So I'm 50%. Ugh, I'm so scared. This
Ready?
is like
Come here.
not okay. Is the pea?
You can't touch it.
I'm not gonna. What the heck? Why did you give me so much?
I gave you 2.
Oops. You guys are disgusting. Why are these so gross? Of course I'm not gonna guess it. They're things I don't even like. Is this something I like?
I don't even know that you've had
Is
it before.
You don't know that I've had it before? Is it a common grocery item?
No.
Is it like a turnip?
No. It's not a vegetable or a fruit.
What? What the heck would it be? It's not a vegetable or a fruit. It's a root?
Yeah. Kind of.
Is that horseradish?
No.
Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. I don't
You
know.
ready for your last one?
I guess.
I'm gonna give you a big bite of it though.
Why?
Because there's layers in it.
Oh, is it like a
Nope. You have to bite it.
cake? There's jello? There's jello.
What kind? Does it all taste like Jello?
Does it all taste like jello? Yeah. Is it red jello? Strawberry? Watermelon?
I don't know.
What? Oh my gosh. So I can take it off now?
You ready for the reveal?
Yes. I'm ready.
I'm
ready.
trying to clean it up.
I'm ready. Alright, I'm ready to reveal. Wait, how many did I get? I only got 2 out of 4.
3 out of 6.
Oh, 3 out of 50%! That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Wait, my makeup. Is my makeup bad?
No.
What? Oh, honestly, I was kind of gonna say this, but I was like, there's no way they would have gotten that.
You know what it is?
Dragonfruit.
Right, it's at every grocery store.
It is?
No.
Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes,
I-
I've seen it
that's
at
the
Albertsons,
first-
Stater Brothers.
Wait,
Trader
was this
Joe's.
the first one I tried?
No.
No.
This was the first one I tried.
Yeah.
It was baby food.
Yeah.
That's
I found
disgusting.
that for discount.
Ew.
Sweet potato.
I mean, that makes sense now. Ew.
Redo it. Dragon fruit was second. Why would you eat it again?
I just wanted to be sure that it was like gross. Like now that I know what it is, maybe it could have tasted better.
No.
Bamboo!
Told you it was.
But it's not even, there's
Bland.
like no flavor to it.
Yeah. It's just water.
That was gross. What layers were these? Mexican? Like just because of the colors or the
I don't
flavors
know.
different?
They had like a vanilla one and a strawberry one, but I felt like that was gonna be too easy.
Dang, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. This was the,
Second one.
did I like it?
No.
You said it tastes like beet.
Beets. Oh yeah. But I didn't like it?
No. They were like because of the seeds and everything. Why doesn't she know how to eat?
Yeah, you're right. This is not great.
Why are you slurping it, you freak?
It's alright. I think dragon fruit is like better visually than it is. You can't even tell that there's seeds though.
I don't think those are seeds.
There's, yeah, I think those are seeds.
Oh, I don't know. What else would they
Polka dots.
be?
Alright, thank you so much for joining Mayday in the Kitchen on this very short video. I got 3 out of 6 and I am actually pretty proud of myself. They kept hyping that it was going to be really hard, so I thought I would get none of them. But I got 3 out of 6, so that's not bad. Alright, thank you so much for joining me, Mayday, in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!